Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. I couldn't resist again and ended up purchasing 6 kits from Diamond Dotz. 2 of them are Diamond Art, but this is the Diamond Dotz brand in any case. So it was Cyber Monday. The kits went on sale. Diamond Dotz kits, squares, are never on sales on diamonddotz.com website. But this Cyber Monday, they went 30% off. I've been looking at these kits for a very long time. Finally, they went on sale and I decided to purchase them. So this video is going to be divided into parts because it will be really very long if I decide to unbox all 6 packages right away. So all 6 kits, I mean. So what I'm gonna do, we will open 3 kits in one part and 3 other kits in the second part. Are you ready? Let's start. So I'm thinking of unboxing these 3 winter kits: the cat and the angel. Diamond Art, powered by Diamond Dotz, were purchased in Michael's. I don't remember the price. I think the cat was around $36 and the angel was around $17. Both of them were on sale. And this is a really very beautiful kit. Look at it. I saw it completed and it looks exactly as it appears here on the picture. All this, the designers were able to show all that transparency through the drills, through the diamonds, the transparency of the icicles, I mean, the beauty of the winter. Amazing design. So this kit was, the original price was $40 and the only 2 days when it was on sale was Monday, Cyber Monday, and Tuesday. I purchased it, I think, for $32, either $32 or $28. I don't remember, because these 4 kits were purchased on Diamond Dotz website, and all of them cost $40, but 2 of them were on sale for $28 and 2 for $32. So I don't remember how much it was, 38 or 32 or 28. Okay, so let's start with the kitty. Oh my god, just look at it. This cat looks so detailed, just as all Diamond Dotz kits. The cat is really, like, the designers worked on the cat. It looks super super natural, amazing. And as far as I see, this kit contains special drills. Here they are. Number 1, beautiful. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is 40 by 50 centimeters. The name of the kit is Christmas Cat. This kit contains 36 colors and 37, and one of the colors is special drill, special shaped, and there is also one AB. At least I saw one AB diamond when I was opening this kit. The symbols are beautifully printed. The adhesive is poured glue. As always, Diamond Dotz has the best designs, and bravo to their to the designers, the ones who are turning the images into diamond paintings, because they have amazing color blending, they have amazing detailization. This kit just looks really very itemized. Okay, now let's look at the drills. And the drills are as beautiful as the design itself. Amazing bright Christmas colors. Look at those. Beautiful. A vast variety of different shades. Green shades, red ones, pink ones. Look how many greens. Like, I already see 6 of them. Different shades of green, blue. Amazing, I love it. And so we have one, sorry for the cracking sound of the floor. We have one AB diamond, one AB color, the white one, and of course I can, oh no, look at that, not just one. Okay, we have one AB, and yellow is kind of like pearl diamonds. They're not just AB, they're kind of like pearl ones. AB pearl. Amazing. And of course I can actually play with this and make more enhancements on this design by replacing a few colors with maybe ABs, like green. I think I have this AB. I can also try to use crystals instead of resin drills, maybe on the Christmas ornaments, on red Christmas ornaments. I'm not sure yet. I don't also want to, spoil it, so to say, by using a color that won't match. But maybe I will just leave it the way it is, because it already has one AB diamond, one AB color, one pearl color, and of course special drills. Special drills are just transparent big beads. But look, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kit. Can you imagine? It contains special shaped AB pearl, yellow pearl ones. And of course, if you have some AB and crystals in your storage, why not to use them? I can tell you this, I would definitely use, if they are not used yet, the snow here on the white, on the blue background. I will use the AB, but I'm pretty sure that this is the color that is used there. As to the crystals, I'm not sure yet. I'll think about it. I might use it, or I don't know. So beautiful kit, I love it. I'm not sure if it is still on, if it is still available in Michael's, but if I find it, I will leave the link in the description box below. So the next kit is Angel. It's a pretty small, 30 by 30 centimeters. I cannot say that I love the design very much. I saw it actually last year, but instead of purchasing, I preferred a different design. I didn't like this one that much, but when I saw it this year, I thought that I could also make a few enhancements, a few, changes to it with crystals, with ABs. So I decided to buy it and give it a try. And now when I'm looking at the drills, I see that there is even golden ones, metallic golden ones. So I think it will look really very nice. And so this kit contains 11 colors. Not all of them are resin drills. I see ABs and metallic gold ones. And this kit is a full round drill one. Really nice. I think it will look really very beautiful if the background is, for example, AB. If the background is diamond painted with AB diamonds, AB drills. Now let's look at the drills. Okay, these are the diamonds, a lot of gray. Most likely I will replace one of the colors with AB. I'm not sure which one yet, but I have gray AB diamonds that I purchased from Tina, Diamond Painting with Sparklers. So I think it will look, it will fit the picture, the image much better than just regular resin drills, because it is so festive, Christmassy. Angel, and the angels are creatures that produce light, so I want to show as much illumination and sparkle as possible, so AB diamonds will fit in this image, I think, along with crystals. A few yellow ones, but those yellow are weird looking, like very weird shade of yellow. More gray, blue, and beige. I might replace this beige with this one from AB Diamond, from a Diamond Dotz. So I can say that the shade is absolutely the same, but very close. And again, I think it will look beautiful on this image. And AB color, white AB color, along with gold metal color. I never liked using metallic drills, but I think that on this kit they will look amazing. So this is the kit. I might also use some crystals. I don't know yet. Okay, that was the second one. Again, that one I purchased it also in Michael's, and it was around $17. If it is still on sale or if it is still available, I will definitely leave a link in the description box below. But I saw this kit in Joann as well, and it was cheaper. And the last for today, but not the least, Frosty Morning, I guess, from Diamond Dotz Squares. I do not think that the picture is color related. Because it looks different as the finished image. Here it is. So I do not think that it is very color related. It is small, 47 by 31 centimeters. I thought it was at least 40 by 50 centimeters. It is pretty small. So I do not like how it looks on the canvas. It looks super pixelated. I mean, I wouldn't even understand what it is if I didn't see the original picture, but since I saw the completed image, it looked amazing. I was just blown with it and decided to purchase right away. Again, the transparency of icicles was so natural. It looked amazingly beautiful. So I will diamond paint it and we'll see how it's gonna look. So it is pretty expensive, 40 bucks. 40 bucks for a 47 by 31 centimeters kit is pretty expensive. So I would not encourage you to purchase it yet if you know this amount is pretty expensive for you. Wait until I finish it and let's see how it's gonna look. Although, again, you can see it on their website completed or in one of their YouTube channels. They have it also finished and I loved it. So, but now when I'm looking at it, you know, at the canvas, the design looks not as good as I thought. But again, I need to complete it. You cannot judge the diamond painting just by the image on the canvas. By the way, this is a full square drill diamond painting kit, not round. This is square. Now let's look at the square drills. So, yeah, I just hope that it will look as good as the completed kit that I saw on their YouTube video. Because now when I look at the drills, they kind of like too bright. They look way too bright. Maybe it is color related. But in any case, I worked with square drills before from Diamond Dotz and I was pretty happy with them. By the way, this kit has two AB diamonds, white ones, square AB diamonds, and square yellow AB diamonds. Yellow and white. It's too late and I had a really very hard day today at work, sorry. So white and yellow AB diamonds, square ones, and they have very high quality square drills. They do have amazing round drills, the best quality drills I've ever used, and their square drills are not an exception. I mean, you can see it sparkle even in the bags. So most likely I will be diamond painting it in winter, maybe like in January after Christmas. Before Christmas before January I want to finish all the Christmas kits that I have. So that's how it looks. So from these three, I'm kind of now scared to diamond paint this one because it looks not as detailed as I thought. Okay. You will find the links to all the kits in the description box below. Don't leave the screens yet because I will be back with unboxing these 3 kits tomorrow morning. Stay with me.